This video is going to deal with the single whip in long form in section 1. This turn from the right grass bird's tail is actually exactly the same as you find the same movement in the 24 short form. So if you've done 24 short form, then you already know this turn. You're going from 3 o'clock. You've done your right grass the bird's tail, and from the push, going to move the weight back, hands dip slightly into a push down, turn, pulling on the left slightly, and then when your waist can't turn anymore, moving the weight back, let the left foot rotate on that ball of the foot there, and let the hands just come in towards the chest, so you end up in this kind of pushing down type movement. Then push the right hand across into your hook. Now just bear in mind that all of these 3 movements that I'm now going to show you are going to happen simultaneously. So you've got the right hand hook, you've got the rotation of the left forearm into the ward off, and you've got this left foot stepping across back towards 9 o'clock. So again from here, move the weight back, flatten hands, turn, slight pull on that left hip first, move the weight back, don't over rotate, let that left foot turn on the ball, that's the bit everyone forgets. Then you're going to simultaneously rotate, left hand, right hand, hook, step across. And all of these movements need to finish at the same time. Then you are going to move the weight forward. You have your deflect and push. You end up with the body facing the corner, left hand extended forwards, right hand extended to the back corner, and a nice bow stance. So ensuring that you've also turned the back foot far enough. In the turn, you can turn the foot all the way like that and end up in pigeon toed stance. Some people can't do that, don't have the flexibility, but at least try and get the feet to, or that right foot, around to 12 o'clock. Then when you do your step around, all you've got to do is turn the back toes to 45 degrees during your single whip movement. This time I'm going to do it a different direction so you can follow it without having to look behind you at the camera. I shall go this direction. So we've done our right grass the bird's tail. So this is now 3 o'clock, and we're going to turn behind, which is now 9 o'clock. So moving the weight back, flatten the hands, pull from that left waist first, circle as far as it'll go, move the weight back, rotate, left ball of the foot, push down position, right hand hook, left hand rotates, left foot steps across, deflect, push, turn the back foot, body to the corner, eyes facing forwards towards your chop hand, right hand hook to the back corner. This is a really nice position. Hopefully you'll be able to see my feet all the way through this time. So right grass the bird's tail, move weight back. So remember as well, as you move the weight back on these movements, you need a slight hinge on the hips. The reason for that is because you don't want your weight going backwards. You don't want your head, which is heavy, going behind your hips. They're 2 very big parts and heavy parts of your body. If your head goes behind like this, you're then unbalanced, and you can feel it as soon as you do it. So move the weight back, hinge slightly at the hips. This keeps you nice and balanced. I don't know why I'm pulling my hands in. Move weight back, turn, move weight back again, rotate that left ball of the foot, push down. Push the right hand into the back corner, rotate the left hand into the ward off, step across with the right foot. Sorry, with the left foot. Deflect and push forwards. Turn the back foot more if you need to. And one more time. From the push. Move way back. Hinging slightly. Rotate. Move weight back. Rotate. Hook. Step across. Deflect. Push. Turn back foot. With any of these movements where there is a 180-degree turn and then a movement that is on the opposite left leg, sometimes there is a tendency to push the weight into that left side and lose your horizontal center for your hips. So you need to just make sure you pull that back, hips in the middle of the feet all the time. The weight, obviously this is still in bow stance, so the weight is still 60-40, waist in the middle. Also, a lot of people on the single whip go very narrow. For some very strange reason, it ends up like this. It ends up kind of a forward empty stance, which is no good because you're not balanced. So be sure that when you've turned for your single whip from your grasshopper bird's tail, that you do push the foot back more and not in a straight line. This is in a straight line. Looks all right, but it's not stable. So you want that stepped across bow stance. So there's just a few things to be aware of. Feet shoulder width apart, not in line, and waist horizontally center, not over to one side. You'll also know if it's over to one side because probably one side will be further back than the other. Just want to bring it a little bit more central. It will be slightly off because your chest is going to be facing the corner, which means your waist will be slightly turned, but your hips still need to be central to your feet. It's quite hard to sort of think about, but maybe if you've got a long length mirror, maybe look at it in there. So that's your long form single whip. The next video will be the raise hands and step forwards.